Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 10th of July 2021, Saturday. It is class 11th, subject education. Dear students, today our topic is problems of organization of secondary education in India. What are the problems that hinder the progress or the development of secondary education in India? Dear students, today we will discuss this topic in detail. Dear students, as you know, Dr. Radhakrishnan says that our secondary education remains the weakest link in our educational machinery and needs urgent reform. Dr. R.C. Das writes, the education which we receive is borrowed and imitated article. It does not cooperate with the national genius of our brings of our beings and hence is unable to enrich the lifeblood of our soul. So these two views of Dr. Radhakrishnan and views of Dr. R.C. Das clearly states that the secondary education in India is very weak. It needs improvement. It needs our attention. We have to plan this stage of education, and we have to try to remove all these weaknesses, limitations in our secondary education so that it can enrich the lifeblood of our soul. Dear students, some of the important problems of secondary education in India are: number one is aimlessness. Secondary education is aimless. It is considered as a means to prepare an individual for higher education or getting employment. Neither does it prepare the individual for world of work, nor does it develop personality as a whole. Dear students, number second is unsuitable curriculum. Existing secondary school curriculum is faulty. It is narrowly conceived, subject-centered, dry, bookish, unpsychological, theoretical in nature, dominated by examinations, and is not related to environment and practical life. The students read the traditional curriculum without interest, understanding, and appreciation. Their main aim is to get through the examination. Dear students, defective textbooks. The standard of secondary level textbooks is low. They provide information only and lack originality. Market is flooded with cheap notes, guides, and refreshers. They are examination oriented. Dear students, poor coordination, poor conditions of teachers. In view of rising cost of living, the economic conditions of secondary school teachers is far from satisfactory. There is great disparity in the skills of government and private institution teachers. They do not command respect and honor in the society. Other facilities are also few and far between. This creates difficulties in maintaining their efficiency. Dear students, defective methods of teaching. Methods of teaching which are generally followed in our schools are dull and uninteresting, mechanical, and lack in necessary motivation for learning. They fail to develop independent thinking and habit of self-study. Generally, book reading and lecture method are in practice. The knowledge of teacher is also outdated. He is not conversant with new innovations and changes occurring in the field. No efforts are made to make it up to date. Colleges of education also suffer from backwardness. Defective examination system. The prevailing system of examination is faulty. Examinations develop spirit of unhealthy competition among the students and encourage rote memory. They adversely affect physical and mental health of the student. A number of epithets has been assigned to examinations like a bloodsucker, an enemy of true education, a bane of educational system, a glorification of memory, a growing tyranny, a necessary evil, etc. etc. Examination is not a real test of knowledge of students and the efficiency of the teacher. Books are smuggled in the examination and attempts are made on the life of the supervisors to try to catch the students who use unfair means. Copying is in the examination has become a student's birthright. Problem of wastage and stagnation. Dear students, the problem of wastage and stagnation is found at the secondary level also. It is mostly due to unhealthy environment, discipline, and lack of qualified teachers. Problem of student indiscipline. There is widespread indiscipline among students, aimless education, defective examination system, loss of moral and noble values, poor economic condition of teachers, lack of competence of teachers, defective curriculum are responsible for causing indiscipline among students. Problem of low standard. Dear students, low standards of teaching is one of the main problems of the secondary education. Government has primarily concentrated on the expansion of education and have not devoted the proper attention towards the qualitative progress of education. Due to expansion, standards have fallen. Defective methods of teaching and evaluation are also responsible for falling standards. Lack of community life. There is lack of well-organized community life in the secondary schools. The main reason for this is that sports and games, excursions, physical exercises, social activities, etc., which may establish close contact among the students, are not organized in the schools. Students seldom get an opportunity to work cooperatively. Institutions fail to provide training in community life. Besides, there is absence of religious and moral education in schools. Thus, the schools of modern time have just become like a factory whose aim is to make students pass the matriculation examinations. And other problems are lack of social, moral, and spiritual values, inadequate supervision and inspection, lack of physical welfare, lack of work experience, financial problem is also there, undesirable growth of private schools, uncontrolled expansion, lack of vocational courses, and lack of proper guidance and counseling. These are some of the other problems that we face in the secondary schools. Dear students, it is all for today. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will take up some other topic. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.